Hello, today we will guide you through how to update Webull Desktop app. Keeping your trading platform up to date ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes. In this walkthrough, we'll move smoothly from opening the app to checking for and installing any available updates with a few helpful tips along the way so nothing catches you by surprise. Start by opening the Webull Desktop application on your computer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin, since the update will need to download files. If you have any active workspaces or charts with unsaved changes, it's a good idea to save them now, just in case the app needs to restart after the update. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the settings entry, typically represented by a small gear icon. This is your control center for app preferences and system details. Click on Settings to open the Settings panel. You'll see a list of categories along the side. We're heading to the area that manages general preferences and application information. Next, select General. This section contains options that affect the overall behavior of the app, including where to view details about your current version. Under General, choose About. The About page displays your installed version number and checks for newer versions. It's the best place to confirm what you're running and whether an update is available. If you see an option to update, go ahead and click Update. The app will begin downloading the latest release. During this time, avoid closing the app or putting your computer to sleep. The download may be followed by an automatic installation and a prompt to restart the application. If you're in the middle of anything, take a moment to wrap it up before confirming the restart. After the app relaunches, return to the About section to confirm you're on the latest version. If you don't see an update button on the About page, that simply means you're already up to date. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep your device plugged in if you're on a laptop, and ensure any antivirus or firewall software allows Webull to access the internet so the download completes successfully. If an update doesn't appear right away, try closing and reopening the app, then checking About again a little later. That's it. You've opened Webull Desktop, navigated to Settings, moved into General, opened About, and applied the update when available. You're now ready to trade with the most current version.